Hey guys, so this is the Valentine craft that went home for you, and I'm going to show it in steps how I completed it. So the first step would be to take glue stick or regular glue, preferably glue stick if you have it. Get that part really kind of a lot on there on the back side. Then I'm going to take my tissue paper and I'm going to go around the edge and I'm going to start working my way inside the heart. So here's step one. So now you can see here's step two, where I went around the edge so I can start working my way in, but I have to start on that outside edge. It's set in the directions that you could let it dry a little bit in between each layer that you do, but I didn't let mine dry. I just kept going, but that's up to you. And so you can see I have one layer kind of thicker. You can put two pieces of tissue or however much you want. And then I'll show you the next step. Okay, you can see that I'm getting in a little, it's filling in a little more. I don't have as much space in the middle, so I'm just layering all over just to make it as thick as possible with the glue. Okay, now I've got it kind of layered and I'm covering up so there's no hole in the middle again. Okay, I'm just layering, and you can layer as much as you want. If you want it to be a little darker shining through, then you're going to need to do more layers. And I forgot to tell you on step one to cut them into squares, but you probably figured that out. All right, and then I'll show you the finished product. So now when I flipped it around, I can see my colors shining through. I might trim the edges a little bit, get some of that off of there that's sticking over. And then my last step is going to be to take that silver thread that was in your bag and we're going to put it in that little hole. So I'll show you that on the next step. All right, so here you can see that I put my thread through and I tied a knot and I can hang it wherever I want to hang it. You could hang it on a window and the light might shine through too, so that would be kind of cool. So that's your project for today.